Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can pair your JVC earbuds with Windows PC. First of all, you have to open the charging case and then remove both earbuds. Right now we have to click and hold these two buttons. They are located right here, so let's do this right now. Click and hold and take a look. One of it's blinking quickly, so it means that they are successfully set up to the pairing mode. So right now all we have to do is to go to the settings, go for the Bluetooth and devices, turn on Bluetooth by tapping right here and click to add device. Select Bluetooth. At the bottom we can find our earbuds, so select them. When we are successfully connected and you want to use the microphone built for these earphones, you have to go for the system, then pick sound settings and switch from laptop microphone to external. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.